Hello everyone, welcome you all for another video. In this video, I am going to explain you how to separate a text string into text part and number part using left function and right function in Microsoft Excel. To explain how to separate text part and number part of a text string using these two formulas, I am using this scenario where a storekeeper wants to separate product identification number of 10 products into their text part and number part into two separate columns. Then we'll look at how to do it. You can see the first column in this table contains all the product identification numbers. Each product identification number created combining 4 English block letters and 5 numeric characters. Then our requirement is to separate text characters into one column and numeric characters into another column. So as the first step, we'll take text part of the product identification number into second column of this table. For that purpose, we can use left function since the text part is appeared in the left side of the product identification number. Here what left function do is, it will return the first characters in a text string based on the number of characters specified by the user. Then select output cell range first. Then go to formula bar and type equal sign and type left and open a bracket. Then select the text string or product identification number and add a comma. Since there is only 4 text characters in the product identification number, then type 4 and close the brackets. Finally, press Ctrl and Enter key at once. And you can see text part of the product identification number appeared in the second column. As the second part of this video, we'll look at how to copy numeric characters in the product identification number into third column using right function. Here, what right function do is, it will return the last characters in the text string based on the number of characters specified by the user. As the same way we followed in left function, first select the output cell range and go to formula bar and type equal sign and write and open a bracket. Then select product identification number and enter a comma. Here we should enter 5 since there is 5 numeric characters in the product identification number. Then press Ctrl and Enter key and you can see all the numeric characters in the product identification number appeared in the third column of this table. So this is how we can use left function and right function to separate text string into two parts. You can download this worksheet through the link mentioned in the description to practice these functions. So this is the end of this video. We'll meet again with another video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.